Are you over 40, 50, 60, and beyond, and you've just been dying to start a YouTube channel, whether it be for a depository where you can share your videos with loved ones, family, friends, leave it something for your grandchildren, or if you want to create a side gig to where you can have a little side income so you can take your family on a little nicer vacation, or if you want to have some income coming in retirement to maybe supplement your other retirement income. Well, my name's Ren Ramsey. I have a successful YouTube channel that I've had for years. It has meant the world to me to create a community around that channel, and I want to help you do that. I want to empower you to do that yourself and affect real change in your life through YouTube. So if you'll follow on with this channel, go down below and subscribe to this channel and ring that bell, and you'll get all the notices when I send in a new video, and I'll be posting those probably once a week, but from time to time, and I hope to be able to help you to have a great time doing this. It's not that hard. It's really easy. Anybody can do it, and you don't have to have a lot of gear like I have here. Matter of fact, you probably already got the gear that it takes. So we'll see you on the channel.